How to change in nicknames on Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of 1-2-Step. You can add in or change in nicknames for other people on your Messenger app. So if you also call your friends by some other nickname, you can also change or add nicknames to those friends. So let me show you how it's done. Open up your Messenger app and open up the chat where you want to change a nickname. Once you open up the chat, you can just tap on the eye icon on the top right. Once you're here on this menu, under customization, you'll be able to see an option called nicknames. Tap on this option and either you can add in your own nickname or add in nickname of the other person. To add it in, just tap on set nickname and you can remove this existing name and type in anything that you want. Once you're done, you can tap on set and the nickname will be immediately added and will also be visible, and a notification will be sent which says you set the nickname for, and it's gonna give you the nickname. And the name will also be changed on the Messenger, as you can see. You can similarly remove or add in different nicknames. You can remove this existing nickname, or if you tap on remove, the nickname will be completely removed. And you can also do the same for your own nickname as well. So that's all it takes to change nicknames on Messenger. If you guys want more tutorial videos, here hit subscribe and also turn on the notifications. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.